Welcome back to my class, students. In the previous video I told you the brief summary of the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank, and I hope you have understood the summary very well, and now you will understand the chapter in detail. So I hope you all have your books with you, and the chapter number 4 of your English textbook from the diary of Anne Frank, detailed explanation we are going to start. So this is the extract. This is an extract. I have told you that this is an extract taken from the diary of Anne Frank. So we are going to start the detailed explanation of the chapter. So before explanation of the chapter, I would like to read this before you read. It is a brief account of about Anne Frank. So let's start reading this. Anneliese Marie Anne Frank, 12th June 1929, February March 1945, was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands as persecutions means unfair or cruel treatment over a long period of time. So persecutions against the Jewish population increased. The family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. So I told you that this thing I have told you, she was born on February 1929, June 1929, and February or March she died in 1945. And she was a German girl, Jewish girl, and Nazis, about Hitler I told you. And now they were hiding. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp. What is concentration camp? I told you in the summary. Concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margot Frank. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended. जब वॉर ख़त्म हो गई उसके बाद फादर ही बचे थे उनकी फैमिली में से, वो वहाँ पे गए वापस टू फाइंड दैट हर डायरी हैड बीन सेव्ड, कि उसकी डायरी किसी तरह से बच गई थी. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name of the Diary of a Young Girl. तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि बहुत ही यूनिक रिकॉर्ड है आफ्टर रीडिंग दैट डायरी, एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू पब्लिश इट इन इंग्लिश, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बता ही दिया था समरी में. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles of the events of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. तो सारे के सारे उसने जो लिखना शुरू कर दिया था, राइटर्स रिकॉर्ड ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स इन एन ऑर्डर इन विच दे हैपेंड. क्रॉनिकल्स मीनिंग, क्रॉनिकल मीनिंग होता है कि एक राइटर जो लिख रहा है जिस क्रम में जिस डेट पे डे पे वो इवेंट्स हुए वो सारे उसने लिखे. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books, and it did become world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary, described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. वो जो great example बन गई थी, very renowned, discussed of the Holocaust victims, जो उनके बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से बर्ताव हुआ हो, बहुत ही devastation और destructive चीज़ से वो निकले हों, तो उसके लिए वो सिंबल बन गई थी और renowned नेम हो गया था. तो दिस वॉज द ब्रीफ अकाउंट अबाउट एन फ्रैंक एंड एज यू कैन सी शी वॉट शी वांटेड अ 13-14 years old girl. She in this picture under this picture is written, this is a photo as I would wish myself to look all the time, then I would maybe have a chance to come to Hollywood. Anne Frank, 10th October 1942. She wrote this thing also. So activities given, we will do it later. We will start the detailed explanation of the chapter from here, from page number 50. Now we are going to start. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. She says कि डायरी में लिखना मेरे लिए बहुत ही अजीब सा एक्सपीरियंस है, अनोखा एक्सपीरियंस है, विचित्र है. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old school girl. Musings means to think, observe carefully. So she says कि writing a diary, in a diary, it was a really strange experience for Anne Frank, because she thinks that not only, she gives two reasons, that not only I have never written, कुछ पहले लिखा नहीं है उसने, and but also she says that she was thinking that कि मैं खुद या फिर मैं कोई और कैसे बिलीव करेगा, और anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old school girl, कि why anyone else would be interested to read what a 13-year-old girl have observed or carefully, क्यों interested होगा वो. तो these were the reasons writing in a diary was a strange experience. If this question comes, you can easily answer why writing in a diary was a strange experience. These two reasons are given, that first of all, she has never written anything before. Second thing, she was thinking that would anybody interested in writing or in reading the musings of daily observation, very careful observation of a 13-year-old girl. क्या लिखेगी वो, क्या सोच कर क्या लिखेगी, इसलिए that's why it was a strange experience. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Then she's convinces herself that ठीक है, it doesn't matter, I will write. I feel like writing. मुझे writing करने का मन हो रहा है या मैं लिखना चाहती हूँ. And I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Whatever is going through, in her mind, in her body, in her soul, she wanted to get rid of all these things. OFF of जब छुटकारा पाना चाह रहे हैं, उसके सीने पर एक बोझ है, all kinds of things. So she wanted to get rid of that. उनसे वो छुटकारा पाना चाह रही थी, इसलिए लिखना भी चाहती है. और दूसरा रीज़न ये भी है कि मैं इन सब जो मेरे मन में चल रहा है वो सबको एक्सप्रेस करना चाहती हूँ. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying no one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. So now, as I have told you, she makes a very strong thing, a strong statement by saying that paper has more patience than people. और क्यों ऐसा कहते हैं? I thought of this saying on one of उसने ये कब सोचा? When one of those days when she was a little depressed and sitting at home with my chin in my hands, when you're sitting like this and thinking what to do, what not to do, should I go in, should I stay in or go out. She was bored and listless, meaning is given with no energy or interest. कोई interest नहीं है, आप really feeling listless, bored and thinking what to do. She was thinking that should I stay in or go out, and she was having her chin in her hands. So that time she thought that paper has more patience than people. And I finally stayed where I was, brooding, to worry. She was worrying. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. She is saying that yes, I finally stayed where I was brooding. वो वहीं बैठी रही जहाँ पर वो बैठी हुई थी चिंता करते हुए. And she said yes. हाँ, पेपर में ज़्यादा पेशेंस होता है, सब्र होता है than people, लोगों से ज़्यादा. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stuff, जो बोले कि मैं ये मोटी सी बैक नोटबुक ग्रैंडली रेफर जिसको डायरी कहा जाता है वो किसी को पढ़ने नहीं देना, मेरा सब कोई इरादा नहीं है. एंड आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग एनीथिंग दैट समवन शुड रीड दिस एंड आई शुड नेवर फाइंड अनलेस, कब तक, जब तक उसको एक सच्चा दोस्त नहीं मिल जाता. इट प्रोबेबली वोंट मेक बिट ऑफ डिफरेंस. सो तब तक कोई ख़ास फ़र्क नहीं होगा, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Prompted me to cause something to happen. She is saying कि I am back to the point which caused me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. अब उस पॉइंट पे वापस आ गई कि उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है, इसलिए वो डायरी लिखना चाह रही है. वैसा तो है नहीं, उसका कोई दोस्त ही नहीं था, बट शी केम बैक टू दैट पॉइंट विच प्रॉम्प्टेड हर टू कीप अ डायरी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, कि डायरी ही लिखती हूँ मैं. लेट मी पुट इट मोर क्लियरली. नाउ शी इज़ क्लियरिंग इट मोर कि वो क्यों लिखना चाह रही थी. Since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world, कि वो फर्स्ट रीज़न detailed explanation में you can write this. If it is a long answer question, then you can write this, that first she thought that no one will believe that she is totally alone. 13-year-old girl is totally alone in the world and I am not. और वो है भी नहीं, वो कह रही कि मैं हूँ भी नहीं. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. She is saying I have a lovely family and lovely parents who really love me, and I have a 16-year-old young ओल्ड सिस्टर, जो बड़ी बहन है उसकी 16 साल की है. एंड देयर आर अबाउट 30 पीपल आई कैन कॉल फ्रेंड्स. शी इज सेइंग अबाउट 30 पीपल आर देयर whom शी कैन कॉल फ्रेंड्स. इनको दोस्त बुला सकते हैं. नाउ शी इज सेइंग आई हैव अ फैमिली, 30 पीपल, आई हैव अ फैमिली, लविंग आंट्स एंड अ गुड होम. No, on the surface I seem to have everything except my one true friend. She is saying कि I have a family, I have a loving parents, a 16-year-old sister, 30 people whom she can call friends. On the surface, ऊपरी तौर पर दिखता है कि on the surface मीन ऊपर से दूर से अगर आप देखेंगे तो सब कुछ है उसके पास. फैमिली है, पेरेंट्स हैं, बहन हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी हैं, ग्रैंड मदर उसकी, 30 लोग हैं जिनको वो दोस्त भी बुला सकती है. लेकिन ये सिर्फ ऊपरी तौर पर दिख रहा है. शी डिडंट हैव अ रियल फ्रेंड. शी इज सेइंग आई डोंट हैव अ रियल फ्रेंड. True friend, all I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer. She is saying all I think about, जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मैं एक अच्छा टाइम उनके साथ स्पेंड करूँ, मैं अपने आप को ब्रिंग नहीं कर पाती. माई सेल्फ मीन्स मैं खुल नहीं पाती उनके साथ टू टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग. बस मैं से नॉर्मल सी चीज़ें ही बात कर पाती, जो मेरे मन में चल रहा है मैं वो बात नहीं कर पाती हूँ उनसे. वी डोंट सीम टू बी एबल टू गेट एनी क्लोजर, और हम एक दूसरे से खुल भी नहीं पाते हैं. एंड दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम, और यही समस्या है. मे बी इट्स माई फॉल्ट that we don't confide in each other to tell something secret. Means हम लोगों पे एक दूसरे के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं कर पाते हैं. and that's maybe it's my fault that मैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर पाती हूँ, मेरे फ्रेंड्स पे, वो मुझ पे नहीं कर पाते हैं. शायद ये मेरी ही गलती है. इन एनी केस, कोई भी केस हो या इनमें से कोई भी रीज़न हो, दैट्स जस्ट हाउ थिंग्स आर. बोलती है कि ऊपर दिए रीज़न में से कोई भी एक रीज़न हो सकता है, बट चीज़ें ऐसी ही हैं. सिचुएशन इज़ दैट आई एम नॉट थिंग्स आर एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे आर नॉट लायबल टू चेंज. और वो ये कह रही है कि भाई ऐसे ही रहेंगे और चेंज होने के कोई आसार नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ वाई आई हैव स्टार्टेड द डायरी. और यही रीज़न है कि मैंने डायरी लिखना शुरू किया है. शी इज सेइंग दैट टू इन्हेंस द इमेज ऑफ दिस लॉन्ग अवेटेड फ्रेंड इन माई इमेजिनेशन. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू जॉट डाउन द फैक्ट्स इन दिस डायरी the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend, and I'm going to call this friend Kitty. She is saying here very important thing. She is saying to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. In her imagination, she used to think that I will have a friend, a true, a real friend, my best friend. So उस imagination को she is increasing. Enhance means उसको बढ़ावा देने के लिए she is saying I will not jot down or short note, brief writing नहीं करूँगी the facts in this diary. I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary. मैं लिखना नहीं चाहती हूँ संक्षिप्त में सब कुछ the way most people would do, जो उसको संक्षेप में लिखते हैं जिस तरह से ज़्यादातर लोग डायरी लिखते हैं, मैं वो वैसा नहीं करने वाली हूँ. But I want the diary to be my friend. मैं चाहती हूँ डायरी मेरी दोस्त बने. And I am going to give the name, and she gave the name to her diary, her best friend Kitty. Now there are 2 oral comprehension check questions, 3 questions. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? We have just read this chapter, and this question answer I think you will be easily, if it is a short answer question, you can simply write the answer that writing in a diary is a strange experience for Anne Frank, because first of all she thinks that I have never written anything, but not only I have written anything before, but also that no one, neither she or anyone else, would be interested in the reading the musings of a 13-year-old girl. And another reason also, she says that she didn't have a friend, and she have everything, family, sister and friends, but not a real friend. And that's why she started writing a diary, and that's why she feels that it is a strange experience for her. Now the second question, why does Anne want to keep a diary? Now why does she wants to keep a diary? As the answer will be that she wants to keep a diary because she didn't have a friend. She has everything on the surface. She has a loving parents, a 16-year-old sister, and around 30 people whom she can call friend, but that was only from the upper side. It looks like this, that she has everything, but she didn't have a true friend. She was not able to confide in her friends. She was not able to express herself truly among those friends, about 30 people, with her family, with her parents, with her sister, with her friends. She was not able to confide in each other, and that's why the reality, that situation is that's why she took the diary in the first place, and she wants to keep a diary. Why did Annie think that she could confide more in her diary than in people? Because she thinks paper has more patience than people. She was not able to confide even in her parents, even with her real sister, not with her friends. And she thought she was not able to get closer to any one of them, and she thought that paper has more patience than people, and if she will tell anything to the diary, she is not gonna tell this thing, or she can confide to the diary and she can write each and everything, all the expression, all the feelings or inner feelings in the diary, and diary would be not bored, not complain, listen to each and every secret. And that's why she thinks that she could confide in the diary, because she was not able to confide in her family, friends, and even to her sister also. Now further explanation of the chapter we are going to do, my dear students. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, well, I think in this class we will do up to here only, and the next class we will continue with the further explanation of the chapter. Thank you. Take care of yourself.